Wu Shu, His Excellency, the Executive Secretary of China Journalists Association, who too is attending this meeting online, Qing Dong, President and Editor-in-Chief of Economic Daily, who is with us online, and all other distinguished guests, speakers, and audiences. Assalamu alaikum. I stand before you today in the auspicious year of 2023, marking the glorious decade of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor. In a world where information bombards us constantly, shaping our thoughts and opinions, it's crucial to sift the facts from fiction. The CPEC Media Forum holds significant personal importance for me. I had the honor and the privilege of participating in the 4th edition of CPEC Media Forum in 2018 in Beijing, alongside my friend and comrade, Senator Mushahid Hussain Sayyid. During that period, the positive impact of CPEC had yet to reach local communities, and there was widespread propaganda about CPEC and China in both Western and Indian media. Even some of our domestic media outlets were casting doubts on the justification behind CPEC and pushing out negativity. As previously mentioned, the 4th CPEC Media Forum was dedicated to challenging the propaganda surrounding the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor by presenting factual information. The Pakistan-China Institute, with a deep awareness of the historical propaganda against these initiatives, initiated the CPEC Media Forum in 2014, even before the inception of CPEC had fully materialized. At that time, the potential benefits of CPEC were still awaiting realization. This is, no doubt, a forward-looking approach of the Pakistan-China Institute. CPEC came at an opportune time for Pakistan, instilling hope, confidence, and faith in the people of Pakistan about the future. Launched in 2013, the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor has transformed Pakistan's socio-economic landscape, addressing a dire energy crisis and crumbling infrastructure. Before CPEC, Pakistan faced challenges in 2013, including 10-hour-plus blackouts, a 2,500 megawatt electricity deficit, and a $250 billion economic loss. CPEC is not just an infrastructure project. It has generated over 236,000 jobs since 2013 and is set to create 1.2 million direct jobs, contributing to local workforce development and reducing regional disparities. CPEC has significantly elevated Pakistan's economic growth, contributing a projected annual increase of 2 to 2.5 percentage points. A 2018 World Bank report suggested a potential 3.5% overall economic growth boost. Going beyond urban centers, CPEC addresses regional development gaps, fostering growth through various projects in the Western alignment. In the energy sector, CPEC's diverse 17,400 145 megawatt capacity encompassing hydro, wind, solar, and coal-based power generation ensures a sustainable and reliable energy supply. Dear media comrades, your crucial role in shaping public perceptions of the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor requires objective reporting. Propaganda really shapes how people see such projects by carefully sharing information to influence their beliefs and feelings.